Hello, my name is Alan Hoxie. I'm an NFI certified expert with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to unbox the superior Crescent Hill HD gas log set. This log set comes in two different boxes. One box will contain the burner, while the other box will contain the logs. First thing you'll need to do is inspect each box for damage. Make sure there's no obvious dents, large holes in either of them. Secondly, you'll need to open up the box that contains the logs. Pull out each individual log to confirm there's no damage on those. If there are, please give us a call right away. Let's unbox the product. Now that the product has been unboxed, let's go ahead and set the box containing the logs off to the side to be used later. Inside the first box, you'll find the burner, the installation manual, lava rocks, masonry screws, and the safety tags. Lastly, if you look at the safety tags, you'll notice the type of fuel this log set's designed to burn. Please confirm that's the type of fuel that you have available to burn. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your superior Crescent Hill HD gas log set. If you'd like to know how to install this gas log set, please click the link in the description below. If you have any other questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com. Thank you.